Hi, I am Retheesh with my wife Shruti and my son Vishnu. We have been part of Aashwasan family for quite some time. We came to Aashwasan around 12 years ago for our son. Along with the immense support of Aashwasan team over these many years, each one of us have discovered different facets of ourselves and have learned to live our lives with a lot of grace and hope. I would say the biggest gift that Aashwasan has given us is the feeling of being taken care of. The sense of belonging and security that we get at Aashwasan is beyond words. It really has to be experienced.
And on this occasion of the 70th anniversary of Aashwasan, we would like to wish the entire Aashwasan team all success in transforming the lives that connect with them in the coming years. And this day is more special as it's our dear Rashmi ma'am's birthday. And we would like to wish her all health and happiness. And we would also pray that her vision of healing the whole world comes true. Thank you.
Thank you.